Moco.
The sun stood tall and warm and bright, calling planets line up right. One by one they came to play a solar system parade today. Mercury zoomed in super fast. Catch me friends, I'm built to last. Closest to the sun's warm glow, quick and tiny, watch me go. Venus followed, hot and bright, shining like a lamp at night. Covered in clouds from head to toe, a glowing golden planet show. Earth arrived with oceans blue, trees so green and sky so true. It's me, she said with gentle cheer, home to all we love so dear. Mars marched in with reddish pride. Look at my mountains tall and wide, dusty winds and valleys deep, secrets of space he loves to keep. Jupiter came with booming sound, the biggest planet spinning round. My storms are hugs, she said with glee, a swirling, whirling spot on me. Spot on me, spot on me. Saturn twirled with rings so wide, sparkling as he turned with pride. I'm fancy, he said, as you can see. I wear my ring so gracefully. Uranus rolled in sideways cool, spinning like a sleeping pool. I tilt a lot, don't think it's strange, it's just my special spinning range. Neptune splash waves dark and blue, coldest winds that ever blew. Last in line but strong and grand, a windy whirly ocean land. The sun clapped bright, hooray, hooray, you've made a perfect space parade. 8 brave planets round the sun, learning about